Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save battery on Realme C51 device. There are several steps you can take to save battery on this device. The first step, please enable automatic brightness. The trick is, please open the settings menu and then here you can scroll down. And then you can select the display and brightness option. After that, you can enable adaptive brightness like this. For step 2, here you can activate the battery saver. How do you please open the control center on your device and then you can scroll to the side and activate the battery saver feature like this. And then for step 3, here you can go to the settings menu and then you can scroll down and select the display and brightness option. After that, you can tap the screen refresh rate option and set it as second option to save your battery. For the next step, you can turn off active features on your device. Here you can check the control center and turn off active features such as NFC, location, Bluetooth, and so on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save battery on Realme C51 device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.